Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles in Boxborough. My name is Dimitri. Here is David from
Rochester, New York.
And David is picking up this absolutely gorgeous BMW, and it's not just a BMW, it is a touring wagon. So David, how did you end up with the wagon to begin with and with this particular one? Please share your thoughts.
Sure, I found the vehicle through an online search. Found your site actually through Edmunds, which led me to a different vehicle you had in stock, but I found this one once I went to your website, and I was impressed with the condition of it. I was impressed with the detailed description of it and the thorough detailed walk around video you had posted of the vehicle, and it was very impressive.
And here you are in Boxborough picking up the car and taking off, and we wish you great luck with this car, and thank you very much for your business.
Thank you very much. I appreciate the find.